Welcome to our channel, where we are committed to equipping beginners with the essential knowledge and skills to establish a rock-solid financial foundation. In this extensive and informative video, we aim to demystify the often intimidating world of financial literacy. Whether you're a young adult just starting your financial journey, or someone seeking to enhance their money management skills, this video is thoughtfully tailored to cater to your needs. Our journey commences with an in-depth exploration of the concept of financial literacy. We underscore its universal significance, emphasizing that regardless of age or income level, everyone can benefit from understanding and applying these principles. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make informed financial decisions, alleviates stress associated with money matters, and lays the groundwork for building wealth and securing a prosperous future. Begin this transformative journey. We focus on one of the cornerstones of financial success: setting clear and attainable financial goals. We delve into the importance of establishing both short-term and long-term objectives. Not only do we provide valuable insights into identifying and prioritizing your financial goals, but we also offer practical strategies to help you achieve them. Moving forward, we dive deep into the heart of financial management: budgeting. Budgeting is an indispensable tool for anyone seeking to take control of their finances. In this segment, we provide step-by-step guidance on creating a budget tailored to your unique financial situation. We don't stop there. We also teach you how to track your expenses effectively, identify areas where you can save money, and make your budget a living document that adapts to your changing needs. Understanding and managing debt is another pivotal component of financial literacy that we address comprehensively. We demystify the various types of debt, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, providing clear and actionable strategies for managing and reducing debt. Whether you're interested in the snowball or avalanche method, we explain both approaches, allowing you to choose the one that aligns best with your financial goals and preferences. Venturing further into our financial education journey, we introduce you to the concepts of saving and investing. We elucidate the key differences between these two financial activities and highlight their respective roles in building and growing your wealth. For beginners, we recommend low-risk saving options, such as high-yield savings accounts, and introduce the crucial concept of establishing an emergency fund for financial security. When it comes to investing, we focus on accessible and beginner-friendly strategies, advocating for low-cost index funds, and stressing the importance of initiating your investment journey early to capitalize on the remarkable power of compound interest. Building and safeguarding your credit score is another critical aspect of financial literacy that we explore. We emphasize the value of maintaining a strong credit score and offer practical tips on how to establish and protect it. Additionally, we stress the importance of monitoring your credit report regularly to detect and address any discrepancies promptly. In the realm of financial security, we delve into the necessity of emergency funds and various types of insurance, including health, auto, and renter's insurance. These safeguards are vital to protect against unforeseen financial setbacks and ensure that you and your loved ones remain financially secure, even in challenging times. With retirement planning being an integral part of financial, we introduce the concept of retirement planning and underscore its significance in securing your financial future. We delve into the incredible impact of compound interest over time and explain various retirement account options, including 401ks and IRAs. We emphasize the advantages of contributing to these accounts early in your career to capitalize on the benefits of long-term investing. As our video draws to a close, we provide a wealth of additional resources for viewers eager to deepen their financial knowledge. We recommend a selection of books, websites, and online courses to help you further your financial education. We also stress the importance of taking proactive steps, setting specific financial goals, and initiating your journey toward financial literacy. By the conclusion of this comprehensive and detailed video, you will possess not only a solid understanding of the fundamental principles of financial literacy, but also a clear and actionable roadmap to navigate your financial future with confidence.